Car problem. Eddie is standing on the street. He closes the trunk of a car. Vikram walks past Eddie.
Are you okay, Eddie? You look worried.
Well, I borrowed this car and it won't start.
Can I help you?
No, it's okay, Vikram.
But I know what's wrong with the car.
Vikram, I know a lot about cars.
Okay, well, you already started the car.
No, I didn't. I can't hear the engine.
Eddie, this is an electric car. It's quiet, and it doesn't use gas.
But I put gas in the car 10 minutes ago.
What? Where?
Right here.
Oh no, Eddie, that's the trunk.